The new Ather 450X is one of the most exciting electric scooters for riders looking for a combination of sporty performance, modern technology, and everyday practicality. Ather has built a strong reputation in the EV market, and the latest 450X continues that formula with a sharp design and an impressive list of features. Design. From the front, the Ather 450X looks aggressive and futuristic, with its signature LED lighting, sharp body panels, and sporty stance. The compact design makes it easy to handle in busy city traffic, while the premium finish gives it a more sophisticated appearance. Its aerodynamic body and stylish wheels add to the scooter's sporty character. Performance. The biggest attraction of the 450X is its performance. The electric motor delivers quick acceleration, making the scooter feel extremely responsive when you twist the throttle. Whether you're moving away from a traffic signal or overtaking in the city, the 450X provides the instant torque expected from a modern electric scooter. Battery and range. Battery performance is another major factor for EV buyers. Depending on the selected battery and riding conditions, the 450X is designed to provide a practical range for daily commuting. Real-world range can vary according to riding mode, traffic, rider weight, road conditions, and speed, so buyers should consider their daily distance before choosing a particular variant. Features and technology. The Ather 450X brings plenty of technology to the cockpit. Its connected digital dashboard provides important information such as speed, battery status, range, riding modes, and navigation-related functions. Smartphone connectivity and smart features make the scooter feel more like a modern connected device than a traditional two-wheeler. Ride and comfort. Despite its sporty personality, the 450X is designed for everyday riding. Its compact dimensions make city maneuvering easy, while the suspension setup helps handle normal urban roads. The riding position gives the scooter a balanced combination of control and comfort. Charging and practicality. Charging convenience is extremely important for electric scooter owners. The 450X can be charged at home, while compatible fast charging solutions can make topping up the battery more convenient. For riders who primarily travel within the city, home charging can make daily ownership particularly simple. Final verdict. Overall, the new Ather 450X is a strong choice for riders who want a sporty, smart, and technology-focused electric scooter. Its quick acceleration, modern design, connected features, and practical urban performance make it a serious contender in the premium electric scooter segment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more new car and motorcycle reviews.